Why did you join 1000 Missionary Movement?
First of all, I would like to greet you in my traditional greetings in Muslim. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marlon Duna. I was originally Muslim by birth. I was raised in a family. My father is a Muslim and my mother is a born Catholic but converted into Islam. Such a young age, I am questioning it. Lord, what is my purpose in life? So what do I need to do? Why I am here on earth? What is my life all about? So that's all my question. But in the Muslim faith, I didn't hear an answer about it. I asked many of my uncle who is a scholar in Islam, but they can't answer it. So they just shrug me when I question it. They just never give a strong answer about it. So growing up, I'm curious about what God is all about, or who is it, who is he, and what is my purpose in life. So that's my main question. I was involved in the ministry of our brothers in Born Again. I was first there. I knew God, and all the things that I know about the Bible, about God, was first introduced me in that church. And then I got distracted by a lot of things while serving the Lord, and I do vices, I do relationship with the opposite sex, and I do everything that pleases me in that church before. But there are times that I was so sincere in serving the Lord in that church, but really I don't know if I think God really calls me to become an Adventist, because when I'm in the church, I feel like there's something more about this faith that I have. Knowing the Ten Commandments, it was preached, but there's something that I really want to know about it. So when I became a backslider of the church, I decided to work. And then after work, I want to become a student. And thanks to my friend, he brings me to a school that was a Seventh-day Adventist school. But I didn't know that time. So I became a working student there. And after that, I was assigned in library as a library assistant. So I was introduced to a lot of books, but I didn't read it. So, but the thing is, my supervisor or the librarian at that time she never intended, or she never tells me that we need to have a Bible study, but she just invited me to join camping, because I like camping, going outdoors. I really love it. But when I arrived in the Solad, she invited me to hike in one of the Solad school in Mindanao. And when I arrived there, I was really shocked about the lives of the teachers that are living there. One of the testimony of the teachers, she left everything here in the city to go in the mountains to help those people that God also called. So I was touched there, and then when we came back at our school, I was so blessed, and I was crying while I'm saying this testimony to my co-working students. So, and later on that evening, the owner, or the son of the owner of the church, the school, invited me to have a Bible study. And after that, we have, I think, almost a year of Bible study. But we never have that ordinary Bible study, because I have a lot of questions. There is this senior missionary of 1000 Missionary that's working as a teacher in our school. So he said, join na lang og 1000 Missionary. So, but first, I don't know about 1,000 missionaries. So I've searched and I found out, this is a training school, training center for missionaries that want to serve the Lord for a year. So I gathered my courage and asked my pastor, can I join 1,000 missionary? And the first reply of my pastor, he answered me like, don't go joining 1,000 missionary, just become a layman instead. But I said, no, pastor, this is my commitment. I am committed to the Lord for a year. I was blessed becoming a missionary because it teaches me a lot of lesson in life. And it teaches me to trust God even what circumstances you are in. To be honest, my family didn't know that I am Christian now. My parents both died. I think they have an idea, but I didn't tell them that I am a Christian now. So that's one of my regret in my life, that I didn't share it. I share it to other people, but I can't share it to my family. I'm actually trying, or one of my desires today is to tell them that I don't know what will happen to me if I tell them straight, but I know that my relatives in my father's side, they love me, and I love them also. That's why I want to share it to them, the love of Jesus. If you have a doubt about your faith, just learn, study. What I did is I studied the Bible, I studied the Quran, I studied archaeological evidence that I found online. And young people to our church, as an Adventist
As a
youth,
missionary.
I urge you to listen to your pastor, or to listen also to the calling of the Lord to you. Because I know it happens to me. It happens to me that when I answered the call of the Lord, I was greatly blessed. Mentally, spiritually, and physically. Not by money though, but I know it will happen in the future.